You have created a product, you have given it a price, now let's deploy that checkout. In this video, we're gonna focus on Express checkout, which is sort of like the easiest way to get a SamCart checkout out into the wild. Start from the Products tab. In this example you saw in the last one, I created a product. If you needed to look for a product, like this one has a lot of stuff, you can use the nice search bar, right? You can use some cool drop-downs. You can organize your products with tags like we've done a lot. But anyway, open said product. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to the Payments tab, right? Because what I'm going to do first is actually, and if you haven't done this, you might not yet have SamCart connected to a payment processor. If you didn't do that when you set up your marketplace, you'll see an orange banner at the top of your dashboard. Click on that orange banner, get connected to SamPay, PayPal, whatever you want to do to collect payments, right? Assuming you've done that, right? You've got some things to turn on. So I can allow credit card payments. I can say, cool, turn on PayPal if I've integrated PayPal. I can say allow alternate payment methods and allow digital wallets. Actually, a cool one. So let me go do those things. I'm just going to turn those on. I'm going to click Save Changes. And then to deploy the checkout, I'm going to come to the Checkout Anywhere tab, and you see Embed and Express. I'm going to click on Express. And all it is just one URL, right? I'm going to grab this page's URL. I'm going to open a new tab and just paste in the URL. That's it. Whole thing, done. Look at that. Just like this, out of the box without really doing much of anything else, right? You've got one-click digital wallets, which is really, really cool. Actually, I'll put a link. We have two other example Express checkout pages. We'll put a link to them down below this video so you guys can open them up. Open them up on your phone, or maybe we can put like a QR code on screen. Open up these sort of like fully baked Express checkouts on your phone, because that's where the power of this stuff really comes in. One-click Apple Pay or Google Pay, by extension, is crazy cool. It's literally like click, confirm, done. Your customers don't need to type in their name. They don't need to type in their phone number, their address, anything. We get all of that from their accounts. Very, very cool. Pay with link, stored credit cards is very cool. Anytime SamCart recognizes the customer's email address, right? They basically then text if you have a saved credit card with link. I'm going to go ahead. Let me plug in this code. I just got texted 103472. And you can see, just like that, I now have a payment method stored on file, right? And if I come back to this page anytime in the next 90 days, I have a stored credit card waiting for me, right? Something like 24% of orders on SamCart last month were placed with link. It's wild watching what's going on there. But if you didn't want to use link, right, one of the other really cool ones we have down there is that we have Affirm and Klarna and Afterpay, right? So buy now, pay later options baked in here, which is really, really wild. So your customers basically can build their own payment plan where you actually get paid upfront in full, right? And your customer works out a payment plan that works for their wallet directly with Affirm or Klarna or Afterpay, right? And so these kinds of things are crazy, crazy powerful. You can see how Express, being the ultra kind of lightweight thing that it is. Again, let me just flip over. Here's some kind of like fully baked ones. We'll put links to these down below the video again. But check these out, right? Here's a page that it's got auto discounting, right? Create some coupon codes. You can auto apply discounts. It's got order bumps. So your customers are like adding other things to their cart before they go buy. They can click view details and kind of learn more about the things that they're buying. But all this kind of stuff, baked in cart abandonment, there's a lot to like. We'll get into more of that about how to set some of this stuff up. But turning on Express, getting the link, and sharing it is a very, very simple way to get that done. Yeah, make sure you guys are connected with a payment processor. Use SamPay if you're not familiar with it. SamPay is what kind of gives you some of the stuff like one-click digital wallets, things like stored credit cards. Like a lot of that stuff is SamPay based specifically, which is basically our partnership with Stripe. So it's really cool. So anyway, that's Express. One more time. Open the product, come to the Checkout Anywhere tab, click on Express, and just copy that URL and paste it. Put it in your link in bio, put it in your emails, put it on your website, put it in your homepage, put it anywhere. Deploy Express. We'll have separate videos about embed, about slide out, about sales pages, more of that stuff coming. But that's the easiest way to get something live. Use Express, share that link, get it out there. Thanks.